Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp on your iPhone. For example, if you have mistakenly deleted the WhatsApp or deleted the messages of the WhatsApp, so how you can recover that. So I will tell you one by one. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you have simply turn on the iCloud backup for your WhatsApp and all other apps. So you have to make sure about that. For this, you have to simply go to settings, and after that, you have to go to Apple ID and you have to go to iCloud, and after that you have to turn on the backup. Now you have to also make sure that you have turned on the backup on your WhatsApp also. For this, you have to simply open the WhatsApp, and after that you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, you have to make sure that you have turned on the iCloud backup. For this, you have to simply click on chats, and after that you can simply see that chat backup is available. Now if you want to get the backup, for this you have to simply go to settings again, and here you have to scroll it down until you find the option of account, and here you can find the request account info. So here you can simply create a report which will be generated in 2 to 3 days, and after that you can simply download that report that will include all of your chats and data related to WhatsApp. So in this way you can simply get your lost chats on WhatsApp. So hope you have liked this video and get more videos like these. You can subscribe our channel.